Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. We're up at Arli in Malta and we're going to be testing out the new tyres on the 124018 and they are ZD Racing RC1704 tyres. So let's see how they get on versus the Pirates 3. Let's go. See what these tyres can do then, shall we? Two, one, go. Go. There's something wrong. The wheels are just turning. I thought that was weird. Drive shaft's gone.
Drive shaft's gone?
Somehow a drive shaft's gone. Where did it land? I have no idea how that one fell out, to be honest with you, because there was no other damage to the vehicle whatsoever. We managed to put the drive shaft back in and it was working fine before the rain came. Absolutely bizarre. Hello everybody and welcome back to the blue mat. I was just going to end the video there, but I've decided to... What's that Velcro there for you? Oh, okay. I've decided to just finish off the video this way because I wanted to let you know my opinion on these tyres. Now, there is one problem with them, and that is they have raised the car up by a small amount. I wouldn't say it's that much, maybe a centimetre. However, that's had a knock-on effect that when you're going into certain corners, it does want to roll a little bit. However, traction-wise, much better. Definitely the grip is so much better. It's got more bounce to it without making it too bouncy, if that makes any sense to you guys. I hope it does, because it just seems to land so much nicer, and I assume because that's, you know, the rubber's taking a little of the energy itself. So as it's coming down, it just sort of lands better. You know, if you're going to be running on tarmac or anything like that, do not even consider tyres like this. But there seems to be some sand and dirt coming off. But if you are just looking for pure bashing fun, I definitely recommend these tyres. I really do. I can't remember how much I paid for them at the time. I think they were on sale at around 12, 13 euros, but I will put the price up now. So, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and hit that notification bell for future video alerts. You have a great day today, everybody. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.